Hi guys, Marco here from the sun in Mexico City. Today we are talking about mortgages and of course AI. But before, let's make some question on the topic to the people around here. A simple question. Where are you from and how hard is in your country to get a mortgage? From 1 to 10.
Hello, I'm from Spain, and it's let's say it's an 8 difficult to get a mortgage there.
France?
France, sì.
Combien?
7.
7.
7.
I'm from Brazil and
9.
9.
I'm from Germany.
10.
Very difficult.
I'm from Brazil and
Very hard.
okay, so United States, and I'm gonna go with the 9.
9.
I'm Mexican and it's actually up.
4. ¿Cuánto pensas? ¿Mexicano también?
No, I am from Colombia.
A Colombia, disculpa.
Yeah, todo bien. Ayla is number 4.
4 también. Well, as you can see, different people, different country, different opinions. But now let's see what AI can do for the mortgage industry. So without further saying, let's dive in the code. Before discussing code snippets, let's see in a nutshell how AI can speed up the process of getting a mortgage. Main issue: examining lots of documents manually is very time consuming. So in this sense, AI can really help. The code is here in GitHub. Here I give you the overview, it's all explained. But let's say generally we have document upload, OCR that translate this into text, and then the logic that we will see. All this is explained in this diagram, well before you have to find all the information yourself in the code. So we upload the document, we extract from the document text, and we have the data analysis. Is the added information relevant for the approval? Bah, then we can say the applicant is compliant with this document. If not, we flag it, human review. We add everything in the SQL database, and when we have enough documents, we can perform data analysis. Simple. Of course, depending on the amount of documents, we can estimate the savings in terms of cost and time. I made estimations here. I would say that the document processing time can be cut from days to minutes because it's automatized. So if we have to estimate the reduction of the time for the loan approval, can be up to 47%, which is really a lot. And then lower operational cost, of course. Without further saying, let's see the code that powers this. I have it here, but also already open in VS Code. 3 modules, 3 scripts: analysis main, which is the analysis of the uploaded document, the upload of the extracted data to the database, and finally an orchestration script that takes the data in and uses these modules to upload all the relevant information to the database. How do we extract text from the document? Using doclink. And here I have a simple function, okay? I assume for simplicity that the document is a PDF, but you can apply it very well to other formats. Doclink is very powerful. Before analyzing, I define a scheme. Why? Because I want to extract the information to a JSON file with a predefined schema. For this, again, Pydantic AI that I discussed in previous video is very helpful. You can create an agent that does exactly what you like. and you define it here. You initialize it before inserting it into the function. Say you are an expert at extracting income details from mortgage documents. It's the role. Extract key income information, determine if the documentation meets the standard compliance. Voila. And then we have to flag a status either compliant or needs manual review. And the status is here in the class. So this will be filled automatically. At this point, we have everything to create a function that takes OCR as text, so invokes the extract text function, and then we get a dictionary that can be uploaded to a database. Not in the same script, of course, but here, database upload. For this project, I use Supabase, but you can tailor to whatever database you like. I just suggest PostgreSQL, but as you prefer. This is the example with Supabase, which is easy, open source, free. So that's what I use. And here, the class with the function upload income data and batch upload when you have many documents. I also give a code snippet to create a table in the database if it doesn't exist. Normally this should be run for many documents and for tables which are already there. However, for curiosity, I went to database, to my Supabase, I ran this, and voila! Success, the table was created, and of course no rows returned because I haven't uploaded yet any document. This is just an example, I'm not applying for a mortgage. Finally, the main script. Here you import the functions from the other two packages, analysis main and database upload, and I have two functions to process either a single document or more documents into a batch, just giving the file paths. Of course, always log everything. That's general good practice. And voila, this is the main execution function. Of course, you have to give the URL and the key for the access to the database. You upload after the analysis with a single file or with the batch processing, and you just invoke this. Simple. So let me know if you can apply to your business. This is just an open source code where everybody is welcome to contribute. It's not yet for any special client, but if you like it and if you find it useful, please give a like, and if you want, subscribe. So see you in the next video.